I have my ice machine all set up here. I have filled it up with water to the max fill line. We have turned it on and we're gonna see how long it takes for the ice to get started and how long it takes for it to fill up and what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so I have filled the reservoir down below there under the basket with water. It took about 5 cups to fill it to the line. We've turned it on, so the power button is on, and we've turned the unit on. You can hear it. It's blowing out the side, and I'm going to time to see how long it takes from turning it on to when it begins making ice and let you know. Okay, so it has been, by my timer, almost about 6.5 minutes, almost 7 minutes from the time that I turned it on to the time that the first ice cubes have been made and put into the basket. All right, so it has been, I would say, about another 6 minutes till this next group of ice cubes is ready. And it would seem that it makes 8 at a time or so. I believe if I counted correctly, it was about 8 at a time. So just keep that in mind if you are starting it for the first time and you're relying on it for a bunch of ice for anything. You're going to make sure that you need to give it enough time to be able to fill the basket up and get the amount of ice that you are looking for. So you can see it does make these little ice, I don't know, they're kind of like little ice pellets. They're slippery and they are kind of hollow on the inside, but overall you could leave them in this basket, or if you have something in your freezer, you know, an ice bucket in your freezer, you can always empty this out and just keep making the ice. When you've made enough ice, obviously the power button is on. You can turn it off altogether, but I do believe that that would turn the cooling feature off as well, so then your ice that is in here would melt. So you would want to make sure you put this in your fridge, freezer, or another somewhere else to keep it cold. But this is going to be so handy for when we need to fill up these coolers, when we're heading off to sports and things, just to have ice on hand for all those summer drinks that my teens love to make. For their coffee drinks, we will always have ice on hand and never be short. So I hope this helped.